everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1969 AMC AMX, very rare factory big bad green car. One of 283 built. Great car, guys. I actually bought this car from a gentleman who bought a vehicle for me. He's owned the car for about 5 years. There's a nice little history to it. Again, it's a very rare car, and then it's a factory big bad green car. It's got all the original matching numbers drivetrain, 390 4-speed car, disc brakes, and I'll tell you what's very rare. I think it's one of 19, they said, with factory air. Pretty car. Very nicely done car. I think he said this car, I think he said the restoration was done just prior to him buying it. And Vern said he had the car for 5 years. It's got 40, I want to say it's 46,000 original miles on it. Again, there's a book in the trunk here that documents the history on the car. I believe Vern was the third owner on it. Car sat in a garage for quite a few years. There's a little write-up in here on it, but good car, man. Runs and drives excellent. Couple little things we got to fix. I think it's got a blinker out, and also we are going to charge the air. It kicks on. Matter of fact, the compressor's new. Vern said he just paid $400 and some for that compressor, but we do need to charge it. Pretty car. Not a whole lot you can really nitpick in the paint. There's a couple little dings in the trim, but very, very nice car, guys. Nice underneath. I took some pictures of the bottom for you. And if you've been hunting for one of these cars, man, they're not easy to find. I'll tell you that right now. Especially nice. A lot of these AMCs that I look at, guys, they're just rough. And, you know, it's hard to restore them. The parts are not easy to come by. This is a nice one. This is a very nice car. You can see the glass is nice on the car. I've ordered a new set of floor mats for it. They're on the way. You can see, you can nitpick some of the trim, but I'm telling you guys, that's very nice. And you AMC guys, you're gonna know that. These are, you know, a lot of times when I look at the trim and stuff on these cars, it's just, I mean, it's just blown out. See original 390 emblems on it. Car's nice and flat down the sides. BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. It's got the Magnum 500 wheels. Good looking car. Sounds good. I haven't driven it. My son actually drove it this morning, said it's a good running and driving car. And Vern said it's a good car. Door handles are pretty nice. Little pitting there. Front disc brakes. I was actually having to explain to Nathan and Jordan, these cars were a little bit of everything. Little Chrysler, little Ford. Again, factory X code 390 car, 4-barrel, stock intake, stock exhaust manifolds, power steering, power front disc brakes. It's got the chrome air cleaner with the chrome valve covers. And again, what really separates this car, factory air car. Four-speed manual trans. Good solid body, man. I didn't see any bubbling anywhere on the car. Glass is nice. Fit and finish is nice on the car. Plus the remote mirror, really nice. Again, nitpick those just a little bit. Original door tag, original rivets. Again, I've ordered the new floor mats for it. They call this charcoal. The factory interior is actually charcoal. Bucket seats, got the Hurst shifter. Factory steering wheel's really nice. It's not all busted up or anything. Of course, factory Go Pack car. There's no rear seat in them. It's kind of cool. That's the original registration and everything in it. Factory dash 46,105 on the odometer, and that is supposed to be the factory miles on the car, original miles on it. Factory tach, AM/FM radio, blower motor works. Like I say, we will charge parking brake works. We will charge that AC. Dual exhaust, factory rear. I'll have to dig into the gear, guys. I don't think it's a monster gear or anything. It's a little dust. You can see how nice this thing is, though. Nice car, man. Factory BF Goodrich inflatable spare with a canister. Service manual. Again, here's paperwork from the car was bought new. Nice little history and owner's manuals with it. It's all body color in here. Looks to have all the original body panels. If you look in there, it's actually got the locking rear differential sticker on it, so I'd say it's a posi. Nice car, man. Really nice car. We're going to stick it right in the front window, man. This thing will be bright, jump out at you. Again, nice and clean underneath. It's got the chrome exhaust tips on it. Look how nice and clean those doors are. Seats are nice. Looks like it's got all the correct seat belts in it. Dash is in really good shape. Those gauges are nice. Neat car. Go ahead, Nathan. Again, AC does work. We'll make sure we get it charged. Nathan said it surprised him how he said it was quick. Tach works. Again, your blower motor works, your parking brake works. I think we got a left turn signal or something that's not working, if I remember right. Comes on, so it's probably the bulb. Oh, it's actually working. Might be the front one up here. One of them's not working, I know it is. Radio works. Sounds like an old tin can, that's the way they were. There we go, yeah. Well, isn't that son of a gun? Now all the blinkers work. It's probably just a connection. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Definitely keep track of us through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Guys, make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube page. There's a little button you can click on. That way you can get a notification every time we do one of these videos. That's a cool car right there, man. If you're hunting for something rare, like I say, 283 of them. I think paperwork says 19 of them came with air. Boys getting good at shifting. Have a great day, guys.